Maybe it's time to groom you. Let's see what I can find on the internet. Oh wow! The package is here! Hey, sit. Ooh, heavy. Oh, let's go try it out. Let me get some scissors. So I'm super impressed with the Homerunpet grooming kit, and my favorite attachment is this brush here, because as you can see, the brush itself is very much like a slicker brush, and the nice thing about it is, you know, when you just press this button here, it sucks in all the hair into this little, I guess, container here. My second favorite is this one here. I have a manual one, and I have to clean my bed every night because I have 3 cats and 2 dogs, and I am allergic to it. As you can see, I have a Dyson in the back as well to keep all the hair and allergies out. But this one is probably, I'd say probably my favorite, but this is definitely great as well. Definitely like this. I do like this one here as well, which thins the hair. Tucker's hair is already thin, so we didn't have to use this one today, but this is a great one as well. And they all have big little suctions at the bottom where it catches all the hair. I love this as well. This is the trimmer. It comes with many different attachments here. And the nice thing, I think humans can use that as well, right? The men, when they just want to shave their head, it goes right in there. So I really like this one as well. This is just a attachment if you need to clean anything in the corners. Very handy. And this is a massager, so I haven't seen one with a massager yet, so I am excited to try this out. Other than that, Tucker loved it, we love it, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have linked the grooming kit in my descriptions below if you would like to try it out. Thank you, and see you on my next video.